Want to buy Bitcoin but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. In the next 6 minutes, I'll walk you through the complete process, from choosing an exchange to making your first Bitcoin purchase. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to buy Bitcoin safely and confidently. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is like a digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin. Think of it as the Amazon for crypto. For beginners, I recommend 3 trusted platforms. First, Coinbase, the most beginner-friendly option. Clean interface, excellent security, and available in over 100 countries. The fees are slightly higher, but the ease of use is worth it. Second, Binance, the world's largest exchange by volume. Lower fees, more features, but the interface can be overwhelming for beginners. Third, Kraken, great for security-conscious users. Strong reputation, reasonable fees, and excellent customer support. For this tutorial, we'll use Coinbase as an example because it's the simplest. Step 2. Create your account. Go to Coinbase.com or download the app. Click Get Started and enter your email. Create a strong password and agree to the terms. Important: use a unique password you don't use anywhere else. I recommend a password manager like LastPass or 1Password. You'll receive a verification email. Click the link to verify your account. This confirms you own the email address. Step 3. Complete identity verification. This is called KYC, Know Your Customer. It's required by law in most countries to prevent money laundering. You'll need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, home address, phone number, government-issued ID, driver's license, or passport. Here's how it works. Upload a photo of your ID. The exchange will verify it's legitimate, then take a selfie for facial recognition. This confirms you're the person on the ID. Verification usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, but can take up to 24 hours during busy periods. Why is this necessary? Regulations require exchanges to know who their customers are. It also protects you. If someone tries to hack your account, they can't withdraw funds without matching your identity. Step 4. Add money to your account. Once verified, you need to deposit funds. You can't buy Bitcoin with nothing. There are several deposit methods. Bank transfer, the cheapest option. Fees are usually 0 to 1%. Takes 1 to 3 business days. Best for larger purchases. Debit card, instant deposit. Fees are around 3 to 4%. Best for small amounts when you want Bitcoin immediately. Credit card, also instant, but fees can be 4 to 5%. Not recommended. You're paying interest on the credit card too. Wire transfer. For large amounts, usually over $10,000. Low fees, but can take 1 to 2 days. For beginners, I recommend starting with a debit card for your first small purchase. It's instant, and you can start learning immediately. Click Add Payment Method. Select your option and follow the prompts. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Start small, maybe $50 to $100 for your first purchase. Remember the golden rule: only invest what you can afford to lose. Bitcoin is volatile. Step 5. Buy Bitcoin. Now for the exciting part, making your purchase. On Coinbase, click Trade or Buy Sell. Select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. You'll see the current price. Enter the amount you want to buy. You can enter either dollar amount, I want to buy $100 of Bitcoin, or Bitcoin amount, I want to buy 0.001 Bitcoin. The exchange will show you how much Bitcoin you'll receive, the exchange fee, and the total cost. Review everything carefully. The Bitcoin price changes constantly, so the amount you get might vary by a few dollars. Click Buy Bitcoin and confirm. Congratulations, you now own Bitcoin. You'll see your Bitcoin balance in your account. The amount might look small, like 0.0023 BTC, because one full Bitcoin is worth over $40,000. Don't worry about buying a full Bitcoin. You can buy any amount, even $10 worth. Bitcoin is divisible up to 8 decimal places. Step 6. Secure your account. This is critical. Cryptocurrency accounts are targets for hackers. Enable two-factor authentication immediately. Go to Security Settings and turn on 2FA. Use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, not SMS. Why not SMS? Phone numbers can be hijacked through SIM swapping attacks. Authenticator apps are much more secure. Set up a withdrawal whitelist if available. This means only approved addresses can receive your Bitcoin. Even if someone hacks your password, they can't send your Bitcoin anywhere. Never share your password or 2FA codes with anyone. Legitimate support will never ask for these. Be careful of phishing emails. Always check the URL. Step 7. Consider a personal wallet. While your Bitcoin is safe on Coinbase for small amounts, serious investors follow this rule. Not your keys, not your coins. What does this mean? When your Bitcoin is on an exchange, the exchange controls the private keys. They technically own it. You're just using their service. For long-term holding or large amounts, consider a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. These are physical devices that store your Bitcoin offline, making them nearly impossible to hack. For amounts under $1,000, keeping it on a reputable exchange is fine for beginners. Focus on learning first. When you're ready for a wallet, I'll create a detailed tutorial on that too. And that's it. You now know how to buy Bitcoin, step by step. Let's recap the 7 steps. 1. Choose an exchange. 2. Create and verify your account. 3. Complete identity verification. 4. Deposit funds. 5. Buy Bitcoin. 6. Secure your account with 2FA. 7. Consider a personal wallet for large amounts. Remember, start small, learn as you go, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more crypto tutorials. Check out my Bitcoin for Beginners video if you haven't already. What exchange did you choose?